In this video, we're going to look at Speakable's Rubric Builder. To access the Rubric Builder, we'll go into an activity that we're creating, add a free response activity in here, and then select our auto grading tab. Rubrics in the Speakable platform are used to automatically score a student's written or spoken free response to a question or a prompt. So if we adjust the auto grading to a rubric-based auto grading process, here we can see the rubric that's automatically attached here. By default, you'll have one of our standard rubrics attached. We have full control to customize these rubrics. Now, in your rubric library, you'll see a couple of standard rubrics, but to create your own rubrics, we can simply use this create our own rubric button, and then we'll have two options. We can use AI to generate our rubric, or we can create the rubric from scratch. The AI generator is very good for creating rubrics based on information that is public. So something based on the ACTFL standards, WIDA standards, AP, IB. Those have a lot of information on the web that a large language model that's behind this is going to understand and be able to create the rubric based on. If you want to create something more custom, you can simply go in to the Rubric Builder, create your rubric here. You'll give it a title, add in your criteria. You can select how the score definitions are set, where the score starts from, and you can, of course, add in the different criteria here. When you set these, they will dynamically set for each category, and then you can define the categories here. When you're ready to use your rubric, you'll simply apply it to this card, or you can apply it to all the cards within an activity. If you want to learn more about Speakable's Rubric Builder and Rubric Auto Grading, you can contact us at Speakable support email, which is support@speakable.io.